everybody, this is Ariane Arsenault from La Fille de la Mer. Welcome to my workshop. Today you are tagging along to make some adorable solid bubble bath. We are going to make and paint these cute little foxes. These are made using a solid bubble bath formula created by the wonderful Zahida from Handmade in Florida. And the classes are available on her website, handmadecourses.com, and I will leave all of the links down below. The mold that we are using today is this cute little fox face by Just Fairy Fizzies, and I will leave Susan's Etsy shop link down in the description box below as well. So come along. I have my dry ingredients and my wet ingredients ready. My amazing cocoa butter is warm and melted. It is from Baraka Shea Butter, and it adds a lovely texture and moisturization to the bath session. All right, so of course I cannot disclose all of the ingredients in this video because this is not my class. It's a class that you need to pay to access. So if that's something you want to learn about, then you can check out the link. And if not, you can just tag along and enjoy making them and then paint them with me at the end of this video. This formula is meant to be pressed. It can be shaped with a vacuum mold. It can also be used with the bath bomb press. But today I just wanted to make these cute little foxes, but know that this formula can be pressed using a bath bomb press. Now, it is designed for humid weather, so whether you are on the east or the west coast or somewhere very humid, this formula is for you. I live in very humid weather and I've tested it many times. You should know this formula is meant to be pressed, but there is also a moldable version on the handmadecourses.com website. So, and you also have access to a cocoa butter drizzle formula that comes with the class, and the class is filled with instructional videos and ideas for different holidays. So make sure to check them out. All right, so here I have my cocoa butter that's warm and melted. My dry ingredients are all ready to go. They're all combined, and this is my wet mix. It looks really green because I used a water-soluble dye by the Fizz Fairy, and in the end, it'll come out just around this shade. And anyways, we will be painting the foxes, so it doesn't matter that the fox is green. In the end, it's gonna be a really nice fox, and it's gonna be red or orange. Okay, now let's do the cocoa butter. And you can absolutely make this formula in a KitchenAid stand mixer if you have one, but I'm just using a hand beater today. So just to show you that it can be done differently with easy, accessible equipment. I'm gonna go ahead and put my mask on because when I start mixing this up, powders may fly up into the air and I don't want them going through my airways, and there's also lots of powder surfactants in here and I don't want to breathe that. So I'm gonna mask up. So first I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of the mixture and start incorporating it with my spatula. And I'm gonna speed up the process so that you don't have to wait like 15 minutes while I do this. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. The texture is perfect. When you squeeze it, it holds. This means that it is time to put it into a mold. So I like to slightly sprinkle the mix into my mold like that. And then with my fingers, I'm gonna go press down and make sure that I have all of the details from this beautiful vacuum mold. So I'm gonna press everywhere around that little fox's face and then into the ears. And because this material is see-through, you can kind of look and make sure that you've got everything covered. Where's my scraper? Oh, I forgot my scraper. Anyways, it's fine. It's not far. So then I'm gonna pack the rest nicely like this. And I'm gonna grab my scraper. You can see that the mold is overpacked. So with my scraper, I'm just gonna scrape off what goes above the mold and then correct the little imperfections. Make sure that we have the mix tightly packed everywhere, and then remove mix from any places where it shouldn't be. Let's fill up that little ear. And now I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper right here. So I'm gonna flip this on here and I'm gonna press and twist just to give a really nice and flat surface to my solid bubble bath, okay? And now is the time to unmold. So with a spoon, I'm gonna tap gently around the mold. And then I'm gonna grab the side of the mold and then just kind of shake it out. Voila. So cute. Now I'm gonna slide it across the tray with the other ones. And I did make these a little darker because yesterday was a test batch and I didn't use my precision scale for the color, but this is gonna be the end color. And anyways, we're gonna be painting them afterwards, so. When I experience issues with sticking, because some of these vacuum molds do create a vacuum, you can use cyclomethicone and just rub it on the inside of your mold and repeat this every 2 or 3 times you press. And I'm using cyclomethicone from Windy Point Soapmaking Supplies. They are here in Canada. So let's pack another one. All right, so you got the point now. I'm gonna keep on pressing my little foxes and I will be back once they are hard enough to be painted. These little foxes were made yesterday, not even 24 hours ago. They are really hard and they are ready to be painted, so let's go ahead. I have already mixed my micas with some 99% rubbing alcohol, very important. Well, actually, for these, maybe not, because they're not fizzy like bath bombs, but it dries really quick and then it allows you to package them really quick. Let's grab out the paintbrushes that I'm gonna need for this project. Well, that's it. You've seen the whole process. I'm gonna continue painting these cute little Magdalen Island foxes, and I hope you've enjoyed the process. If you would like to learn to make these, as I said in the beginning of the video, the description box has all of the links to the classes, to the formulas that were created by Handmade in Florida. And let me know if you've taken the class, if you've ever tried to make solid bubble bath. And yeah, I have 15 of these little foxes to paint, so I'm gonna keep working at this, and then I'll show you the final result with all of them painted. And one of these weighs around 175 grams. Oh, I forgot to say, the fragrance is called Brown Sugared Apples, so it's super comforting, perfect for fall and winter. And you can make 4 to 5 bubble bath sessions with one fox, well, one solid bubble bath fox, as you only need between 30 to 40 grams per bath to create enough bubbles in your tub. So how's that? I think it's pretty cool, and I think these will be perfect for stocking stuffers. They are adorable. We have lots of foxes here in the Magdalen Islands, and I actually took a picture on the internet that was taken of a fox of the islands to inspire me for the colors of the face. So it really looks like an island fox. I'm really happy with the results, and I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.